Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Black Shark 5 to an Android device. You need to begin by going into Play Store on both smartphones and installing free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, choose Open. In order to continue, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Nextly, select receive on an Android and send on Black Shark. Then you need to tap on all of those type of dots on your Black Shark device and select send over here. This way you will select all of your files that you wish to send and send them later on. It will take a long time to send all of mine though, so I will go with only maybe this one photo. Choose send and tap on got it. Now you need to tap on got it in the pop-up and on your Android select no thanks and close this window. As you can see from here, we have the connection ways. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon, then choosing while using the app or only this time in the pop-up and pointing our camera at the code. Or we can input this key here and click on receive button. Either way, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!